Hello guys, it is Chikorita Lover here today, back with another video. And today I'm going to tell you how to make NES styled sprites. It is very fun and I think you will enjoy this. Now pretty much what you're going to need is like something like Paint.net or Pixel Art, which is an online pixel art creating community. I'll have a link to my account in the description. It's free to make pixel art, free to get an account. So if you can't get Paint.net, I recommend using pixel art. And yes, so NES styled sprite is pretty much NES sprites are pretty much sprites like this with very limited color, as you can see, such as the original Mario Brothers and this little NES sprite I made. And let's get started, but before we do, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell, and also Paige Sugar Butts just subscribed to the channel today, so I just want to say thank you. Go check out her channel. She has some, looks like some gaming stuff, some Pokemon stuff as well, which is cool. So better go check her out. I'll have a card up here and also link in the description, plus a thing at the end, so don't worry. And let's get started. So also in the description I'll have a link to this image right here, the NES color palette. And to start off, what you want to do is create a new thing, however you do that on what you're using. So just do it however you want. Do something like 16 by 16, 16 by 32, stuff like that. But actual NES sprites are either 8 by 8 or 16 by 16. You might be thinking, well, what about Bowser in Super Mario Brothers? Well, Bowser in that case is made up of 4 16 by 16 sprites. But they are positioned so well that it looks like one whole thing. Same with Super Mario, it's made up of 2 sprites. So, let's do a 16 by 16. You can do whatever you want. Just gonna zoom on in there and delete that. Alright, so we just have transparent thing. And just start getting a good design. I think what I might want to try to do is make a Pikachu. Try making a Pikachu. Just a simple base. No, that's terrible, honestly. And make sure you're using the colors from here. That's important. I'm just going to use that, I guess. Alright. Looking good so far. It's kind of weird, but I'll get better. Looking pretty good. And a key tip for making NES style sprites, try to not have any outlines. Most NES sprites don't. And I'm going to tell you why they don't in a second here. So don't worry, just tail. Use colors from there. Take that. Weird thing. Kind of creepy. Alright, so it looks pretty good, but I've got something I need to tell you. Something important. You can only have up to 3 colors. Only up to 3 colors. Yes, you might be like, wait, what? Then how am I gonna get all my colors in? Well, that's the reason I suggest not adding outlines, because then that would cost another color. You can only have up to 3 colors on NES Sprites due to limitations. So you're gonna have to find a clever way around that. So pretty much I can only choose 3 colors from here. What I'm going to use is red, this yellow, and let me think, this dark yellow. That's what I'm going to use. So that means we need to get rid of the black and the white. So yes, when making NES sprites, you have to be a little clever. I'm going to make a little tail back here. It looks kind of weird, but it's okay. Gotta get rid of that white. Let's see what I think I'm going to do. Now let's undo that. Just gonna do that. Okay, so that's our Pikachu. It's looking pretty good. So try not to do outlines. You can only have up to 3 colors and use this palette right here. That's pretty much how you do it. It's pretty easy, as you can tell. And then you can, once you get really good at it, you can start making stuff like this cool mess that I made, or this Super Mario. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Just get good at it, and we'll be making some cool NES sprites. So yes, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell. And make sure to check out, let's see, Paige Sugar Butts again. And thank you for subscribing. You might even like some of her videos and maybe even subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video as long as you are subscribed. Good luck with your NES art, and see you later.